Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I upload helpful Shopify tutorials every week, and my goal is to make your e-commerce journey easier, smoother, and more successful. In this video, we're going to cover a crucial feature that can help you reach a wider audience and improve user experience. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Shopify store. Whether you're reaching out to a global audience or catering to a specific linguistic community, updating your store's language can make a significant impact on your customer's shopping experience. So let's dive in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. Before moving forward, it's important to understand why multi-language support matters. Stores that offer multiple languages often see better engagement, longer browsing time, and higher conversion rates, because customers feel more comfortable shopping in their native language. First, we need to head over to the settings. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find the settings icon there. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options for customizing your Shopify store. What we're interested in today is languages. Select this option to move forward. Once you're in the languages section, you'll notice a few options and settings related to language management. What we want to do next is add a new language. You'll find a button or link that allows you to do so. By clicking on this, you'll be able to choose from a variety of languages that Shopify supports. This step is crucial if you want to tailor your store to different audiences who might prefer to browse and shop in a language other than your current default. Choosing the right language can depend on where your traffic comes from. You can check your visitor locations inside Shopify Analytics or Google Analytics to decide which languages to prioritize. Now, after adding the desired language, you'll want to consider how you want to invest in context. You are the least in-context player for us. It's the constant right of prior wickets. Shopify provides a built-in app that can automatically translate your store's pages, which is a great time saver and ensures consistency across your website. Alternatively, if you wish to have precise control over the translations, or if you have specific localization needs, you have the option to translate the content yourself. This personalization can enhance the connection with your audience, particularly if they have regional language preferences or dialects. If you're running branded or niche products, manual translation is often recommended because it gives you more control over tone, branding, and accuracy. Automatic translation is great for speed, but manual translation gives you the highest quality. With the translation completed, there's one final step to make sure your store displays the new language as its primary option. Look for an icon with 3 dots next to the language you've just added. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with additional options. Here, you'll want to set this language as your domain default. Doing this ensures that when visitors arrive at your store, they'll automatically see it in the language you've chosen to highlight. If you're using Shopify Markets, you can set different languages for different regions. This helps Shopify intelligently show the correct language based on the visitor's location. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the language of your Shopify store. This change can open up new opportunities and help create a more inclusive environment that welcomes shoppers from all over the world. It's a small yet impactful modification that can lead to huge rewards for your business. Before we wrap up, remember that offering multiple languages can also improve your SEO. Search engines like Google index translated pages separately, meaning your store can appear in more countries and more search results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy selling! And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel grow and motivates me to bring even more Shopify tutorials your way.